The Vissani portable air conditioner E5 error code is a common issue that indicates a voltage or communication fault in your unit. This error typically points to three main issues: problems with the temperature sensor, communication errors between unit components, or general electrical faults. Start troubleshooting by power cycling the unit. Unplug your Vissani air conditioner from the power outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears any temporary errors in the system. Many Vissani models have a power cord with built-in leakage current detection. Press the reset button first, then the test button. The reset button should trip. If it doesn't trip, the power cord likely needs replacement. Inspect all cables for cuts, loose connections, dirt, or rodent damage. Check that sensors are properly secured. Look for any visible damage to wiring that could cause communication errors. Empty the water tank even if no full error is displayed. Check that drain plugs are properly installed and not leaking. Clean any sensors and ensure they're properly connected. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most E5 errors. If the problem persists after completing these checks, advanced troubleshooting may be required. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the E5 error, advanced diagnostic techniques using specialized tools can help identify the root cause. First, disconnect the temperature sensor from the control board and use a multimeter to measure its electrical resistance. Compare this reading to the values specified in your user manual. To verify the sensor is working properly, rub it with your hand. The resistance should decrease as temperature increases, indicating a proper thermal response. Next, inspect the control board. Check the fuse for any signs of damage and replace if necessary. Also examine the communication circuit for burnt wires or loose connections. For advanced users comfortable with electrical work, measure the voltage at the sensor's power pins on the electronic board. This should read approximately 2.5 volts. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve the E5 error, it's time to contact Vissani customer support or a qualified technician. Don't attempt repairs beyond your skill level. Remember these critical safety points. Always ensure proper grounding, never use extension cords, and keep in mind that Vissani does not support self-servicing. Professional maintenance is always recommended.